And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 214. Let me show you the sprayed strokes photo filter. Find it under filter, filter gallery. It's in the brush strokes folder. And you can also find it alphabetically sorted here in the dropdown. Let's go over the adjustment options. First up, let me increase the spray radius fully. You can see that this determines the area around each stroke that's sprayed. So lower values will make these strokes more contained and defined. Higher values make these strokes more scattered. So this is going to increase the splatter effect. And then stroke length, if you go down, you're going to get short, tight strokes. If you go up, you're going to get long and sweeping strokes. And then we finally have a drop down here for the direction. You can make that diagonal, right or left diagonal, then horizontal and vertical. We can actually create a very extreme result here, kind of like a vertical painting, by going almost all the way up for the radius, then setting it to vertical. And I would like to go down a little bit using the stroke length, not too much, but something like this. As always, don't forget to confirm we are okay. And this is how I can use the sprayed strokes photo filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.